I have now made 100 videos about potato breeding. But how can you easily find them? That's why they are on the playlist. I will explain. Go to my channel, then go to playlist. One of the options is potato breeding. Now the videos will start playing automatically. You can also click on a specific video. Subtitles in different languages can also be added. The choice in the English version is wider. Here are clones from the BioImpulse project that I am participating in. There are also crosses here with fairly primitive material, and we have been asked. All this is also possible with many televisions. What could be better than watching the entire series from an easy chair? Thanks for watching.